I tell you what, the lower end of the condo market here in the city of Cape Coral never ceases to surprise me. You're able to get a really, really great condo for under $150,000 right now, and I'm in a perfect example of that. We just took this listing in the Southwest Cape in the best area of the city for under $150,000. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,000 square feet, and it's walking distance to some of the best restaurants and bars in the city, like Lobster Lady, like Prime 239 Steakhouse. It's just down the street here, as well as the beautiful waterfront shops and restaurants down here in Cape Harbor. So we're in the best location of the city, and we're under $150,000. So I can't wait to show you this property. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Dustin Guthrie. I'm a longtime resident of Cape Coral in Southwest Florida. I've been a full-time real estate broker here for 20 years, and I do a video like this every single week. Sometimes we're looking at fun real estate like this condo today, and sometimes we're just covering some really good, useful information for the folks that are interested in Cape Coral in Southwest Florida. So if that describes you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn the notifications on so you can be here for these videos every week. And my contact information is right there on the screen if I can help you with anything. But with all that out of the way, let's take a look at this beautiful condo. I can't believe this thing's under $150,000 in this location.
Now, the reason this location is so special is because it's south of Cape Coral Parkway and just west of Chiquita Boulevard. And if you've ever been to this part of the city, you know it's just beautiful down here. It's where a lot of the high-end waterfront homes are in the city. Welcome to 5027 Southwest 16th Place, Unit 101. This is in the Parkway Village condo complex, and actually this is one of only a few townhomes that are in this complex. It's a 2-bedroom with 1.5 baths and just under 1,000 square feet of living area inside. As we come into the front of the unit, we've got a nice open kitchen on the left that opens out into the main living spaces, and you can see the main living areas of the home are on the first floor and the bedrooms are upstairs. This kitchen has been recently redone with newer granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and these really nice wood cabinets with this accented glazing, which I really like. Also down here is the half bath, which has also been redone recently and services these main downstairs living areas. Also just off the kitchen is the in-unit laundry facility, so there is a small laundry room here that has a stacked washer and dryer, which is much more convenient than the shared laundry that a lot of the condos in this price point have. Then we have the main living room, and you'll notice this is a corner unit, so there's some extra natural light coming in from the side windows, as well as these back sliding glass doors. And these doors go out to a nice and peaceful screened-in lanai that overlooks some green space in the middle of the condo complex, as well as the community pool, which is just a few steps away in the back. And it's a really nice community pool here in the middle of the complex. It is a heated pool, and there's plenty of deck space both out in the sunshine as well as some shaded spaces for things like eating or having a drink or playing cards or something. Plus, it's just really great that it's so close to the unit. It's basically right next door. Okay, back inside, and now that we've seen everything downstairs, we'll head upstairs to the bedrooms. At the top of the stairs is the first full bathroom, which is a hall bathroom and would service both bedrooms up here. Next to that is what I would consider to be the primary bedroom, only because it has both a front and side window for a little more light in here. As you can see in the second bedroom, which overlooks the pool area, both bedrooms are pretty much the same size up here, although the primary bedroom has a little bit bigger closet than this one. All in all, it's a heck of a nice unit and a nice complex for under $150,000, and the association fees aren't bad here either. They're $497 a month, which, believe it or not, is on the low side of average, and that includes your insurance, your water, your sewer, your trash pickup, plus all the amenities and the maintenance on everything, so you get a lot with that monthly fee. And they even had a crew out here mowing and trimming the grass while I was here shooting this video, and everything is just really kept up nicely in this community.
Well, there you go. How much more do you want for under $150,000? Not only is the condo really nice, but the location is just excellent. Walking distance to all these beautiful restaurants and shops. and the waterfront down there in Cape Harbor and all that. So somebody like a first-time home buyer or a seasonal resident or something is going to snatch this one up pretty quick. But if you're interested in this property or any others like it, give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. I always enjoy hearing from the folks that watch this channel. And make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already done so. Make sure you turn those notifications on too so you can catch these videos every single week. And if you did enjoy this quick little tour of this video or this condo, do me a favor, hit the like button on your way out. It just helps me out, helps the channel out. But thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next video here in just a few days.
Like and subscribe. Just kidding.